So yes, we have another unboxing video. And literally, this arrived just today. Like the courier dropped it off my house. My house? What? House! What's wrong with your S sound, Sese? House. Say it with me. House. Housed. Hello everyone, it's me Sese and I'm back. And I'm back for another, you get that right, unboxing video. So yes, we have another unboxing video. And yes, it's another pair of shoes, but it's a pair of boots. And actually, this just arrived today. It was dropped off my house today, like a few minutes ago. So I haven't really checked what's inside, and I'm too excited to check it, you know? So we're going to open it together here at my channel. So this is the first time I bought from this shop. In my past videos, if you watch my past unboxing videos, besides the Dolce On one, exclude that one, I opened the package in advance to see how the shoes look inside. But I haven't done for this because maybe I was just too excited just to open it immediately, you know. But yeah, so if it fails, it fails, and you get to witness it with me. But if it succeeds, and you get to witness it with me. But I digressed. Anyway, I ordered a pair of boots as usual, but this pair of boots is above the knee. I usually order boots that is not above the knee because I feel like I don't have thin legs. I have thick legs, you know what I mean? So this is the first time I ordered boots that above the knee. So I'm kind of nervous and kind of excited because I don't know if this is gonna fit me really well. So wish me luck, guys. Wish me the effing luck. So let's cut the chit chat and open this baby up. Okay guys, here it is. And there is, I think this is the brand, I don't know. I can't read Chinese for the life of me. But yeah, here it is. And whew, here is the moment. Oh God, why I'm so nervous. Oh wow, I think this is faux leather. Yeah, this is faux leather, I guessed. And okay, let's put it down. And here it is. Oh wow, this is nice. Oh wow. Whoa, the material, I mean the leather is quite thin, like really thin, and it has a zipper here, as you can see there, to open. And okay, now I'm really curious. I'm quite excited to wear this. Oh my God, I hope my legs fit, like literally fit. And okay, here we go. Yay, looks lovely. Okay, though it didn't come with a silica gel, you know what I mean? You know those tiny things. I'll probably, I don't know if I have silica gels, extra silica gels available around. I should check, because this kind of boots, especially with the material, needs silica gel. And I think, yeah, it definitely needs some, you know, those little silica gels. All right, let's see if it's going to fit my thick legs. I am so nervous. Oh my God. If ever it didn't fit me, I will definitely sell it to somebody whose legs can fit these. But it fits me, then I am a really happy girl. I'll be a really happy girl. Alright, here goes nothing. So I feel like I have to roll it down first a little bit so that, I don't know, let's just do our best. Whew. Okay, getting there. Okay, there you go. Whew. And then, oh, wow, this is tight, really tight. Oh, Jesus Christ. Wow, like it's like second skin. And oh, it fits. It fits. Though I feel like my fats are overflowing here, but guys, it fits. Ooh, it fits. Can you hear the happiness in my voice right now? It fits. It fits. Yay! All right. Sorry, you can't see me right now because I want to focus on this part. They fit really well, like second skin. They fit like second skin. Yeah, hear me? So I feel like I can't wear this over jeans. I don't know if I can wear them over leggings. I don't have much leggings to begin with anyway, but a pair of stockings, definitely. Like thick, opaque stockings, definitely. Socks, I will try to wear it with socks. So let's see if it goes well, you know, with socks. But I feel like I can't wear really super thick socks. But with the heel height, if you can see it, you know, with the heel height, I don't think I'll have any, you know, any problems walking and my feet getting tired. I think the heel height is like 3.5 inches. I don't know, but yeah, let's try with socks. Let's try with socks. So I have thin socks here. Well, they're not super thin, just enough, and really thick socks. When I wear boots, I usually wear really thick socks so that, you know, my feet doesn't hurt, but I will try them both. I'll only wear the socks here on my right leg. Okay, so let's do this. Well, the thin socks is okay. It feels nice. I was able to, you know, slip in my whole feet in it. So let's try the thick socks now, shall we? Okay, so I decided to wear the thick socks on my left just to compare the comfortability. And yeah, the thick socks, I was able to fit in my foot well. Not feet, Sese, not foot. Goddamn. My feet well. So yeah, nothing problem about that. Though my concern, I noticed that it's a little bit difficult to remove. Like there's a little bit struggle there. I'll show you. Okay, so of course you have to unzip here first. Sorry, you see a lot of fat going on here. Sorry about that. And you slide it down. And here is the struggle I'm talking about. Yeah. Oh. See what I mean there? But I guess that is, you know, a struggle with this kind of boots. Yeah, no. Anyway, let's do a little bit of test run. I'll change clothes just a bit so that, you know, to show you guys how it looked like in full whatever. I need to get my shit together. Anyway, in 3, 2, 1.
Ready to go. Copy. Range well. Launch for 2 wheels open.
Stage is reporting ready for launch. have ignition?
So there you have it. Now you see how the boots looks like on me, and actually, I'm still wearing it. They're very warm to the skin, so it's not really advisable to wear this type of boots in a tropical country like the Philippines. So you might be asking, the fuck, Sese? Why did you buy boots like these? Because I like to. Because I love boots. So I don't give an effing damn. You hear me? But yes, I'll definitely wear this now. Like, if I have opportunity to go out, you know, because I'm such a hermit, I'll definitely wear this because it's rainy season now in the Philippines, and it's a perfect time to wear this type of boots. You know, just to flaunt them. No, joke. But yeah. It's really the perfect time to wear this type of boots. It also gives me an excuse to wear shorts or skirts even if it's raining. Why? Because I have thigh-high boots now. It means I won't get my legs and my feet wet. Like wet. So yeah, there you have it. So yes, again, I don't think I can wear it with, I can't pair these with a pair of jeans, but short skirts, definitely. Stockings, leggings, definitely. So my only concern is that I wish the zipper at the back goes way up to, I don't know, my ankles. Because as I mentioned, it's a struggle to get it out. You know, it's a struggle to remove the boots. It's easy to put the boots, but it's a struggle to, you know, wear it off. So I'm like, ugh, this is like a freaking exercise every time I'm gonna use this. But it's what I paid for, it's what I asked for, so I shouldn't really complain. So there you have it, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that unboxing. I actually have another pair of boots coming soon, so you have to watch out for that. I really enjoyed unboxing this one. So yeah, until next time, bye bye.
This is Serious as Skull, and if you're watching this in YouTube, please like and subscribe and click the bell button before you go.
Hi, this is Tim the Skull. If you're watching this on Facebook, please click like and click the follow button. Thank you, and that's all. Bye.
You know you make me smile. You know you make me smile. Oh yeah. You know you make me smile. Oh baby, how you make me smile.